If you're looking for a real breakdown of what Amigo AI actually does, and what makes it one of the most promising AI tools just released, you're in the right place. Stick with me, because there are a few things about this tool most people aren't talking about. And by the end of this, you'll know whether Amigo AI is worth your time or just another overhyped launch. You can try Amigo AI for completely free from the first link below, but before you do, here's what you really need to know. And the last point might actually change how you use AI forever. First, Amigo AI is designed to be your all-in-one productivity assistant, built for entrepreneurs, marketers, and even casual users who want to save serious time. It combines chat-based AI with task automation, memory, and real-world tools like calendar scheduling and email writing. Think of it as ChatGPT, but with the muscle of an actual executive assistant. It connects with your apps, remembers context across tasks, and even helps you plan projects without having to repeat yourself every time. That memory feature alone? It's a game changer if you work with multiple clients or switch between roles. Next, the interface is clean, and more importantly, fast. Unlike many AI tools that lag or break mid-task, Amigo AI is built for speed. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one genuinely feels polished right out of the gate. Now, a big deal for me, and probably for you, is integration. Amigo AI already syncs with Gmail, Google Calendar, Notion, Slack, and more. That means you can say something like, summarize this email thread and draft a reply, and it just does it. No switching tabs, no copy pasting. Another underrated feature? Amigo AI doesn't just answer questions, it helps you take action. Whether that's scheduling meetings, writing documents, or summarizing a podcast episode into bullet points, it's built with outputs that are ready to go. Also worth noting, Amigo AI is perfect for digital marketers. It can whip up email sequences, blog outlines, or social media captions that actually sound human. Plus, it keeps learning as you go, so the content starts feeling more aligned with your voice. And let's talk about pricing. For a just launched AI software, the value you're getting, even in the free plan, is pretty impressive. You don't need to upgrade until you really start automating workflows at scale. And by then, it'll be paying for itself. Lastly, Amigo AI is still rolling out new features weekly, so what you're seeing now is just the beginning. If you've ever wished your AI assistant could remember what you told it last week and just handle it, this might be the best AI software to watch in 2025. If you found this helpful, you'll love what I've added in the description, my top recommended AI softwares you can try for free after testing thousands myself. Try Amigo AI free below and see if it's the assistant you've been waiting for.